Using Python request to send JSON boolean. I've got a really simple question, but I can't figure it out how to do it. The problem I have is that I want to send the following payload using Python and requests. Doing it like this doesn't work, because I get the following error. Sending the true is not accepted by my server, so that's not an option. Anyone a suggestion? Thanks.
You need to JSON encode it to get it to a string.
Should be, on, true, capital T. Starting from request 2.4.2, instead of passing in the payload with the data parameter, you can use the JSON parameter like this. And the request will be formatted correctly as a JSON payload, i.e. on column true.
To make it be lowercase like that, if that's what your endpoint requires, do in quotes, on apostrophe colon true.